Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel. I know I have been quiet for some time. So I am planning to resume uploading videos on how to use AWS to build your apps. So for today, what I'm going to be showing you is that how I built my full stack app on AWS. So I am a beginner, I would say, to coding itself. But then over the past 3 months, ChatGPT helped me a lot to be able how to code a full stack app. So I have my SA Pro, or which is Solution Architect Professional certification. So the backend was not that big of a problem, but actually coding the app was a huge, I would say, issue for me. But then again, thanks to some Altman, and I'm also so much relieved that he was reinstated back. So ChatGPT can continue operating as it is, and it's growing and becoming better and better. So that's the thing. I used ChatGPT to help me how to build the front end in Swift. And also it definitely helped me to organize my backend and then kind of integrate back into the front end. So without any further ado, I am going to show you how I built